Come on. Can't pass this by. Hey YouTube, Hester781. So on today's episode of Why My Wife Doesn't Let Me Borrow Her Car, we found this on the side of the road. Free, needs a pump. The guy was actually actively cleaning out his backyard while I was taking it, and he came and talked to me. Said it runs great, just needs a pump. I don't know what that means. I didn't really ask questions. It was kind of a busy street, but I'm assuming he left water in it and it froze. Don't know if I'm too keen to get into this in this time of year, but I feel like we should at least see if it runs. Uh-oh. Well, that was barely in there. Oh, at least it's got oil. That would have sucked to spill that into the back seat. Well, it's been months, and I have to go a complete different direction on this thing, and let me tell you why. So, I bought a pump because I know the motor does run, and the reason I'm not even going to bother checking this pump is I went just now to a for sale post for a lawnmower, a Craftsman mower. You guys will see it soon. And met one of the nicest ladies. I was talking with her about it, and she was telling me that, Facebook Marketplace, which if anybody here deals with Marketplace, you know what a nightmare it can be. And she said I was apprehensive to give my address out because last week somebody was supposed to come by for that tractor, and she gave out her address, and the guy came by in the middle of the night and stole a pressure washer. And I says, that's horrible. She says, well, it doesn't really it affect me, it affects my son. He's got to be like 15, 16. Oh, well, that's easy enough. I met him. He came out and he helped me load up the riding mower, and he was a super nice, well-spoken kid. And he said, yeah, I'm looking to start my own business, and I was going to get into pressure washing houses, and that was kind of my way to get in. And it really struck a chord with me almost instantly. I mean, how many kids do you know right now want to start their own business or go out on their own? And, I hope you guys don't mind that I'm rambling in this video, but it's still bothering me. So I said, let me ask you a question. I says, did you already buy another one? He says, no, I really don't have the money right now. I says, I'd love to give you one. Can I give you a pressure washer and get you back on the road and get back to, making money? And I tell you, the look on his face was worth its weight in gold to me. He's so excited, couldn't be happier. He's going to come by tomorrow morning. So this is, I don't want to call it a rush job because it's obviously very simple, but I am going to put a pump on this so that I know it's a brand new pump and he's not going to have any issues with this thing, because I want to see him succeed and keep going. And we'll just do a quick side-by-side comparison here. And yeah, they are the same pump. But anything ever like that happen to you guys? I mean, I just, I come from a background of not having a lot of money and having to, do stuff like that. And it really, it tore me apart. I'm gonna clean up this shaft a little bit. Sorry, thought I hit play, play. Thought I hit record, but I literally just slapped the new pump up there. Couple alignment bolts. We're thrown in. Get it facing the right way. I don't mean to make this a rant video, but it's literally going to be the worst how to install a pressure washer pump video you've ever seen. There's basically 3 bolts at the bottom. I've made a couple videos in the past. They're the same bolts that hold the engine on, so, I mean, be aware. But, I'm literally dodging raindrops. And we're getting ready to go on a trip, and I'm watching my son all day tomorrow. So I'm not gonna have any time unless I come out at night, and it's supposed to pour. So it's just kind of, I have to apologize to everybody watching this who was expecting a decent video. This is more of a rant and a karma and ask your guys' opinion. It's still eating me away inside, and I have some of the best subscribers there are. I talk to a lot of you guys, and I think I have the wrong size socket. Yes, I do. Hold on. I really do believe I have some of the best subscribers there are on YouTube. I've had many conversations with many of you guys, and you're all great people, and I know many of you will be out here with me, helping me out right now. If you were here, if you had heard the story, I just want to say I'm grateful for all you guys, and you guys are the reason that I keep making these videos, trying as hard as I do. Because if I can help just one person, that's what it's all about. And here comes the rain. So, let's see if it was worth it. Well, there you have it. Took a little longer to bleed the air out than I thought it would, but this thing runs fantastic. I mean, it's a Honda. I'm gonna dump the oil on it, and then he's gonna be good to go. It's a little sun faded on the handle. Triggers are cheap. Pressure washers are not. I know this is really gonna make a difference in this young guy's life, and I can't wait to see what the future has in store for him. Someone with that ambition, they're gonna go places. Well, I hope you guys liked this one. Sorry it wasn't my usual spiel, but we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.